I opened it first. Like this. I open this, I'll start first. See guys, this can. That MySQL, I can't start. Like this. This we stop first. Stop first, all. Then we can go to MySQL this exactly in config. Select my.inf. Guys can search, this is it. Straight up, meet it guys, yeah. 3306 is changed to 3307, same, below. 3307, you can click save. Okay, in save yeah. Already. Try us. Click start. Okay, then start this. Well, you can't, guys. Still, can't we stop just yet? Okay, we're going to Xampp's folder. This is a. Sorry, not at ATCs, yeah, but miss. Then select the data. There is a file here. So this folder should not be deleted. This all file was deleted. We select like this. We delete ya guys. Okay, this we lose. We tick it to get erased. Immediately. Okay, it's erased MySQL data. Then you can start again. Then start again. Well, here it has appeared. Yes, it has succeeded. But after, it works like this. Guys, click this admin. Yes, we are going to phpMyAdmin. What happened? Let's check ya. Well, it is error ya guys. Error to overcome this friends can do. Here's how it's pretty easy. Guys, just stop first. Stop first, yeah. Okay then guys, go to Apache is in config. Okay then, select phpMyAdmin because the error is phpMyAdmin. Okay, after that later guys, look for this one. This host is my friend's love : yeah. Add that is 3307. Just this one. Okay, file save ya. We saved. Then we close ya guys, try to start again. Okay, managed to start again successfully. Then click this admin. Well now, phpMyAdmin has been successful. So it's pretty easy to deal with Xampp who can't start. Then phpMyAdmin error ya friends. Here's how. I hope this tutorial is useful.